Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. So it is Monday morning, August 2nd, I believe. Anyway, I didn't sleep well last night. I get to go back to work today, so I'm super excited. So I thought I'd get up and do a little makeup of the day, maybe try a new palette out. First, we're going to start with some coffee because we all need that. Anyway, I drink the Folgers Black Silk. I like a dark roast. The darker, the better. I enjoy espresso. This morning, we are doing sweet cream creamer. And that is our coffee started for the morning. So I'm gonna get a little of this in me. I'm gonna go put on some masks and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So here we are again. I have figured out why I'm single. So on my face this morning, I am using the Wonder Beauty Gold Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks under the mask. And I'm using the Tony Moly I'm Lotus in Illuminating. And then I have one of those little masks that you can wear around and not be stuck sitting for 20 minutes or laying down because I just can't be doing all that. Anyway, this is my morning get up and start the day kind of thing. So I'm going to get some coffee in me. I'm going to let all this process and then we'll be back. So stick around. If you're masking this morning, let me know what you're using. Do you have a mask on a mask cover? Does your husband, boyfriend, whatever, think you're scary when you wear these? I need the deets. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we got the mask off. I did 15 minutes. Wiped all that on. Um, it did illuminate my face. I do see that. I need more light. Press the button. Okay, so it did illuminate my face. I think it looks good. So let's go ahead and get in here. Now, I started to film this the other day. My video did not upload, so I trashed it. So maybe we will do this today. Yeah, let's go ahead and do this today. So we might as well. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. So I hope everybody's having a great morning. I'm super excited to get to go back to work. I know that sounds funny or whatever, but I miss my little guy. And as much as I love my dogs, Chloe and Poo Poo are just not the best company. They're great. They're great to live with, but day on day on day, they are not the best company. Let me know if y'all like this setup better. I don't feel so enclosed, and I'm already enclosed, so I like it better. Let me know if y'all do. I guess I could probably scoot y'all up some. Move the trash can. Oh no. Hold on a second. Okay, so that looks a little bit better. I know that this light is super, super bright, but y'all know I'm blind, so. All right, so we primed with that. I'm loving that primer. So this is the 9E Pretty in Peach Morphe palette. This was sent in my cheer up mail from Busy Beauty. I do appreciate everybody that watched that video. She is just amazing. I just love her. She cheers me up in more ways than anybody can imagine. So it is in the hard plastic shell, and like I said, I did use it because I did film with it, but it said no, so we're gonna use it again. So I have cleaned the house. I have spider webbed and dusted and all of that good stuff. I do need to do laundry. I don't have running water per se inside the house, but my son, we got one of those little turn off, turn on. When you turn on, the water comes out. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, we got one of those, and it's hooked up to my hose right at the front door, which has been nice. I don't have to carry water down here anymore. Not that that's how it's going to stay, because I do want running water in the house. And when I first moved in here, I thought I didn't want to shower just because it's small and blah, blah, blah. But let me tell you, after being trapped in here for a few days, the things I thought that I could live without, ooh, child, it's been fun. So now I have water down here, which makes it so much easier. And I got a double burner so that I can cook down here, which has been great. I do need to get a can opener and that kind of stuff, but things are slowly but surely coming together. I'm gonna go into this lightest color. There's no names on this. I guess there are. They're on the back, but the lightest color is what I'm going into. Slowly but surely, it's coming together. Oh, I really should have started with my eyebrows. Watch me have a bad brow day. So, my dad had a doctor's appointment um, Friday. They were trying to kick him off of his oxygen. Now, mind you, my father's been on oxygen for the past 8 years, and we just got I have a towel on my lap. I'm not just wiping it on my pajamas. So, he's been on oxygen for the last 8 years, and we were working on getting his heart rate down when he was up moving around, going to the bathroom or such. His heart rate would like spike. So we went to the doctor and we got that taken care of. That's a super pretty color. We got that taken care of, and then they wanted to do a stress test, which most of the time that's a physical thing, but since he can't do that anymore, they chemically induced it. I think I put a video up about that, but if not, here I am telling you about it now. I'm going into this pinky peach color. So they chemically induced this last stress test he was on, which I wasn't really gung-ho until I found out that yes, they can stop it. So, which made me feel a little bit better about it. Not the best. He's still my dad, and all of it makes me worry. So, but they did a chemical one, and he got to keep his oxygen on. And we were going there for getting his heart rate down. No more, no less. So when his heart rate didn't drop below 88, they called and said, well, we're going to cut you off of your oxygen because it seems like you don't need it anymore. Well, the reason he didn't need it is because he wasn't off of it. He wasn't overexerting himself physically, I guess. So they brought him back in to do another stress test, and this time it was a walking with no oxygen. So those two blended great together. Anyway, they brought him in, made him walk with no oxygen. He made it like 4 steps before he just could not breathe anymore. So needless to say, he gets to keep his oxygen, which we're all ecstatic about. Don't know why they ever thought that he could make it without it. It's super sad to hear your father talk about, well, when they take this, they're taking my life. And my father is a Leo, so happy birthday to all the Leos out there. His birthday is this coming Friday, which is August 6th. He will be 70 years old. So we, the family, my brother is coming down. I'm going to go into this darkest brown. My brothers will be here. My brother from Oklahoma will be down. My brother that lives a couple towns away will be here. My kids will be here. You know, the whole family, all the grandkids, the whole 9 yards. Now, with me being sick, my oldest niece, which I don't hardly talk about, she joined the family when my brother married her mother, which I don't do steps. I don't like the word. I think it puts a complex on children. But that's my opinion, you know. People do what they want. Anyway, she is pregnant. She just graduated high school. She is due September 17th. And I love being an aunt. My favorite's being a grandmother first, though. I think being a grandma, which I go by Mima, that is so much fun. Anyway, I also love to be an aunt. Being a sister's not bad either. So, I had to miss her baby shower, which I hated, but there was no way. I did go get my my corona test. It was the first one I had to take. I've taken my daughter to go get hers, but I had never taken one, so I did go take one. It did come back negative, but then I didn't know what it was, so I don't know if I caught the flu or who knows. Either way, I had a fever. Fever means you're contagious, so I did not go. I missed it. So now I get to see her, and I'm hoping the baby is born on my birthday. She's due the 17th, and my birthday's on the 19th of September, so she doesn't have long left. But I'm really, really hoping that it comes on my birthday, because that would be so cool. Samantha was supposed to be born on my birthday, but she came way, way early. So maybe this one, which I stand a better chance. It's so much closer. Okay, so I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to put my face on, and then I'll come back, and y'all can see my makeup of the day. So I shall be right back. Okay, guys, so here is the finished look. My little guy will probably think I am feeling so much better. So I did use the 9E Pretty in Peach. I will say that I used these, good morning, Boogie, Dominique Cosmetics. Oh, can't even read what that is. I got it in my Busy Beauty box along with this. This is a liquid eyeshadow. Anyway, I used it as my shimmer today. This dries down so quick, and it almost looks like the Natasha Denona one that I had on the other night. I mean, there's lots of similarities. So anyway, I like this. It just dries down way quicker. You don't have as much time to play with it as I did with that. But it went great with this palette. The eye look came out beautiful. I used the Jeffree Star Calabasas lip liner along with the Lime Crime Diamond Crushers. This is in summer. Excuse me, coffee. This is the prettiest lip color I think I have ever seen. I have been addicted to it since I got it from Busy Beauty. It is just so, so pretty. But the eye look came out cute. You can see the little shift. And I ended up using my Physicians Formula All-Star palette with my Cover FX in light medium. I have hit pan on this, guys. So I used that today because I haven't used it in a minute. And then my Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette I also used. The Maybelline Instant Age Rewinder. This mascara from Marc Jacobs from Maze BoxyCharm. The Gel Paint Blue Eyeliner from Illuminati. I went to college. How scary is that? Illuminati. And then the Rosewater Setting Spray, the Maven. I like this. It's all right. But then the foundation I used today was the Transfer Matte Natasha Denona. And this is in 31W Light Medium. This is it covers nice. It just doesn't, it's not heavy. It doesn't feel heavy like some foundations can feel heavy throughout the day. And you can still see my freckles. You can still see my small imperfections that I have going on, which is another reason why I like that foundation. So I will take some pictures. I will put them in at the end. Somewhere in here, I will put the outfit of the day that I decided to wear. This was so much fun. I do like the palette. I will definitely be using it again. Peach and Coral, right up my alley. So this was so much fun. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this. Maybe we'll do it again. I just couldn't sleep. Decided to get up, make my coffee, do that, and then get ready and try a new palette and play in makeup. I'm really trying to get back on my content game, guys. So maybe you'll get sick of seeing me before this is all said and done. But I'm having so much fun. I greatly appreciate all the support and the love that everybody seems to be giving me. I have a goal and I am working on it. So I love to do this. This is what I'm going to be doing. I hope that you join in and continue with the process of it. And if you're new here, good morning. I'm Becca. I hope you had a wonderful Monday. When y'all will see this, it'll be Tuesday, but in reality, it's really Monday. So I hope everybody had a great Monday. I hope I have a great Monday. I feel amazing. So that's a good start as far as I'm concerned. If you're new here, I'm Becca. So glad to meet you. So glad that you tuned into this video. Hope you found something that you enjoyed. Possibly hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, give me a big like, ring my bell. Till next time, guys, stay positive. I love y'all. And this was so much fun. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Bye.